Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So we're going to show you our GNET X3I, which is a three-way camera, front, back, and inside. That is a great feature for anybody who does drive share, Uber or Lyft. That way you can record the front, outside, the rear, outside, and the inside for your passengers, and you don't have to buy two separate cameras. You do it all in one camera. The system can work through an app, so you can use your phone app to do it if you buy the Wi-Fi dongle. We're gonna see here, we can see live. So as you can see, we can see ourselves. We got the infrared camera in here, we got the front camera, and we got the rear camera on the top here. We have the settings. The system will work when the vehicle is parked, so you can set it up. You can play videos directly from the screen here. Okay. And like I said, you can also use the Wi-Fi if you have the Wi-Fi dongle, so you can see it on your phone through the app. Download the movies. You have your different features that you can change. The voltage. This allows you to work when the vehicle is parked. LBP, so low battery. Okay. So the low battery is on. 3 wires, the hard wire that we have used. Winter low battery, and then we have the 12 volt to 24 volt. We have different options to change: 12.3, 11.3, 11.5, 11.8, and 12 volt. This will tell the camera when to turn off. Okay, we have here the shut off automatically. So we can set it up by timer. We can set up to, if it has high temperature, to shut off. There's a few more features you can play around here. The event, doing parking mode. You have the recording options, so front settings, rear settings, and inside camera settings. We have the ADAS here also, the collision alert system. We have here the time, LCD, sound, and a few more features. Very nice camera to have for anybody who does driving, passengers. So inside, outside, front and back. For more videos and dashcams, this dashcam you can find Car System Installation. It's available on our website, so we're going to have a link on the bottom here where you can order the unit. For more information, subscribe to our channel or contact us at carsysteminstallation.ca. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.